All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right. All right, guys. Yep, all right. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
What's going on, Gunners, YouTubers, subscribers? Feeling a lot better today. Trying to do a better job at quitting smoking. I know it's random right now. I got the jitters. I've been chewing some gum or whatnot, but I wanted to share it with you guys on YouTube. I speak to my Instagram Gunners basically every single day, and tomorrow we're doing a donation together. So it'll probably be right in time for you guys to understand what we're doing. Tomorrow we are going to basically for 6 hours. Everyone's going to donate $2, like all the Gunners and subscribers. And from there, whatever that amount is in 6 hours, I'm going to match it. So if $7,000 comes in, I'm going to match it with $7,000. We'll have $14,000. We're going to divide that. We all agreed on this. We kind of did it like collectively, which is the most awesome part, is to keep your followers and the people that believe in you involved in what you're doing. Basically, we'll divide the money into 10 families of 3 or more. If you're struggling right now during this pandemic, if you lost your job, you know, that stimulus check didn't come in yet, we are going to divide the money and try to help you. We're not saving the world here. We're only looking out for our own, which is the Gunner world. I've been saying it for 3 years, guys. I know it's not politically correct. I only care about Gunners. I really do, because they support me, I support them, and we have our own little small, close-knit community. And there's nothing wrong with it. We're not out here trying to do what everyone else does. Honestly, no one does what we do. It's never happened. But with that being said, man, I just wanted to enlighten you on how my morning's been going so far. And I just want to say I love all you guys for being here and continuing to support, liking the video, commenting. My ratio of like positive comments is so dope. I love it. I really barely see any negativity in the comments, which is, it just doesn't leave you discouraged. And I appreciate the positivity. Today, I'm working on Kobe. I'm going to try to strip as much as I can on my own. Kind of wanted to wait for Trappy Buckets to get here, but man, let's just get the video going. Basically, what I want to start off with is the front bumper. I'm not really trying to damage it because I want to use this original OEM front. I kind of love the theory of like matching VINs, and I just love it. I just love it because I honestly, like I always say, man, these cars are going to be hard to find. So I'm definitely trying to use this front. It's not that bad, especially because we're going to get some body work done on it. But I've been using this tool too. Remove clips and stuff. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, I'm going to rip apart this front end basically. Don't really have to say much about that. Basically took off the front bumper and the headlights, the front bumper support. So I don't really want to get into the fenders yet because I'd have to remove the car off the lift. So I'm just going to start working in here and just removing everything that I see. guys, so far what I removed was the evap box that goes there. I removed the harness that controls the corners, headlights, horn, fan, AC, all of that, and that guy is all right here. It's basically one clip on the passenger side, two clips on the driver's side, and then the rest are from the actual dashboard harness. So you can take that out nice and clean, open up that loom, shrink it up, and you can run a real nice wire tuck. Watch how we do this wire tuck. We're going to eliminate a whole bunch of wires out of it. It's going to look like there's only 3 wires running basically all the upfront stuff. But I'm chipping away. I'm having a good time right now. Just cruising. Sorry for all the time-lapse stuff. It's because most of this stuff you guys can pretty much do. I'm just showing you basically how I started with it. So sit back and enjoy. Basically, as I'm taking off this side right here, I forgot to tell you guys, I think I had an epiphany. So I want to retire in 5 years. I want to have like a, maybe a few sources of income and never have to work again. It's my goal. But I've been thinking about what to do in retirement. Hear me out. I'm thinking about getting a boat, real big boat. I live on the boat. Somewhere down in Missouri in those Ozark lakes. I got the idea, I got the inspiration from watching Ozark. But my boat is gonna have a burger joint at the top. We don't sell nothing else but burgers. It's gonna be called Aki Burger. The best burger you'll ever have in your life. All grass-fed cow, by the way, too. Grass-fed beef. But that's my new goal. That's like my dream now. I'm gonna take my babies and we're just gonna sell burgers right in Missouri. Judge yourself. Was there a lot of information in this video? Maybe not. But you get to see progression. You guys can all do this on your own. You know what I mean? You don't... If you guys want to make your life easier, maybe you're not a body man, you don't know how to properly paint or sand, then do this part. Maybe it'll just make it cheaper on your pocket. You bring the car stripped, you know how to put it back together. We're basically removing all the, like you see this guy right here? We don't want nothing in the engine bay. We're going to remove everything, all the plastic clips that are holding the wire, holding the AC line right here. We are just prepping all of this to be naked. You see these little clips right here? This all has to come out. This has to come out. You guys can do this. Sit your ass at home and work your tail off. The groundwork you put in today will lead to a better place tomorrow. It's going to lead to better looking projects. I'm done. I'm done with this video today. I've showed a lot of updates. There's going to be a few time lapses. It is what it is. So basically, I'm stripping this car, the engine bay. Everything I see, the 10s, the 12s, the nuts, the bolts, they're all gone. We're going to wash it up. We're going to clean it. Me and Trappy are going to coat the bottom of the car on our own. We're going to just completely rip everything off from the bottom. The complete suspension, the subframe, the fuel lines, the brake lines, the gas tank, It's going to be naked under there. We're going to really wash it. We're going to wash it really good. And then we're going to trim black undercoat paint it. Nice and easy. We're going to get some tape off the edges on the side. And that'll save us about 2 extra weeks at the body shop. But yeah. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. I hope you enjoyed the Kobe update. This car is going to be great, man. It's hard for us to really continue and prosper. Thank God for some like online places that are still open, getting stuff sent in. And I hope you guys enjoyed today, man. Please like the video, man. Get me trending out there. Help me get my channel to as far as we can get it. This all is a collective thing, man. Keep gunning, man.